Hey there, crypto fam. Ever felt like you're missing out on those crazy Solana gains? Or maybe you're just tired of staring at charts all day, trying to figure out what's gonna pump next? Well, guess what? I've got something that's gonna change your trading game forever. Let me introduce you to SOLCASTER AI Bot, your new meme coin analyzer buddy. So, what's this bot all about? Think of it as your personal AI assistant for Solana trading. It's packed with features that'll make your life so much easier. Let me break it down for you. First up, token price prediction. This bot uses AI to analyze market trends and historical data, giving you insights on what might pump or dump next. No more guessing games, just straight up data-driven predictions. Next, there's the ROI wallet finder. Ever wondered which wallets are making the most money? Just type /token followed by the token address and boom, the bot shows you the top 20 wallets with the highest ROI. It's like having a cheat code for trading. And don't even get me started on the wallet analyzer. Just drop a Solana wallet address and the bot will analyze its last 7 days of trades. It'll tell you the ROI, win rate, and even categorize the trader. Like, are they a pro or just a newbie? Super handy if you're into copy trading. Oh, and let's not forget price alerts. Set alerts for your favorite tokens, and the bot will ping you the moment the price hits your target. No more missing out on those juicy pumps. Now, if you're serious about trading, you'll want to check out the Premium and Pro memberships. For just $50 a month, you get access to everything. Unlimited predictions, curated lists of top performing wallets, and even expert strategies from the meme traders team. Plus, you'll join an exclusive community of traders who are all about making bank. And here's the best part. This bot is powered by AI. That means it's constantly learning and improving, so you're always one step ahead of the market. It's like having a crypto genius in your pocket. Using the bot is super easy. Just type /start to get going, and you'll see all the commands right there. Whether you're looking for predictions, analyzing wallets, or setting alerts, it's all just a few taps away. And hey, if you're still on the fence, just give it a try. The free version is already packed with awesome features, but trust me, once you go pro, you'll wonder how you ever traded without it. Now let's talk about something we all love. One, meme coins. If you're into trading meme coins on Solana, here are a few quick tips to keep in mind. Do your own research. Not all meme coins are created equal. Check the token's community, roadmap, and team. If it's just a random coin with no real backing, it's probably not worth your time. Follow the smart money. Use the wallet finder feature to see which wallets are making the most money. If a wallet is consistently profitable, it's worth keeping an eye on their trades. Set realistic targets. Meme coins can pump hard, but they can dump even harder. Always set take profit and stop loss targets to lock in gains and minimize losses. Stay updated. Join communities like Telegram or Discord where meme coin traders hang out. The SOLCASTER AI bot also has an exclusive community for Premium and Pro members where you can get real-time insights and strategies. Don't FOMO. Fear of missing out can make you make bad decisions. Stick to your plan and don't chase pumps blindly. Use the bot's price alerts to stay informed without stressing out. So, what are you waiting for? Stop missing out on those Solana gains and let SOLCASTER AI bot do the heavy lifting for you. Whether you're a newbie or a seasoned trader, this bot has something for everyone. Hit that link in the description to get started. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more crypto tips and tools. Happy trading, and may the pumps be ever in your favor. Peace out.